I smell chicken.
You smell what?
Chicken.
What?
Chicken.
What?
Chicken.
Why are you squeezing me so tight? What are you doing? Ow, you're hurting me. Ow, what are you doing? You trying to squeeze me? He's squeezing my arm to death. He's like a, what are those boa constrictors? Ow, 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 ow. Ow, it hurts. It hurts. My hair looks beautiful because I curled it. Just kidding. Ow, you're hurting me. Don't leave the ring alone.
Will you give me your piggyback rush?
Maybe in a minute. After
I'm
I
telling.
tell you. Who are you telling? Who are you telling? Who are you telling? Who are you telling? Leave that alone. Quit! Nathan. I don't want you breaking it. Quit. Your grandma had to buy that.